Hi, it's Sir Ivy again. Thank you for coming back. Are you ready to read? Awesome! So since you're ready, stay with this video so I can teach you. Let's go! Alright, so our lesson for today will be the short E sound. Ano ba yung mga word in English and Tagalog na may mga short E sound? So this is again the mommy letter E and this is the baby letter E. What is the sound of letter E again? E, E. Good job. So the sound of letter E is E. Alright, so since alam nyo na yung sound ni letter E, let's go ahead and read, okay? Alright, so let's start with these two letters. So ito, di ba, letter B. Ang sound ni letter B is B, B. Tapos, sa isang word, kapag tinabihan mo siya ni letter E, ito ay E. So, ang basa sa kanilang dalawa ay magiging B, B, E, B. B. Alright? Yan ay kapag nasa loob ng isang word. Okay? So, ulit, B. Tapos, E. Pag pinagsama, B. B, B, E, B. Good job. Alright, so how about these two letters? So, ito ulit ang sound, di ba? E. Tapos, ito ang sound, D. What is the sound of letter D again? This one, D. So, kapag pinagsama silang dalawa or pinagdikit sa isang word, ang basa dyan ay D, D, E, D. One more time, D. Good job. And this one, magsasound ka lang uli. What is the sound of this? F. Very good. And then, awesome. So, that will be fe. Isa pa. Fe. Very good. And with this two, what is the sound of letter G again? Perfect. Yes, that is G. G. Tapos, i-combine mo si E. So, that will be G. G. One more time. G. G. How about with these two letters? So, di ba, ito ang sound nito, hihinga ka. Tapos, i-combine mo si letter E. Okay? So, just a reminder, this sound is only applicable kapag nasa word. Okay? Like, kapag nakasama siya, marami pa siyang mga kasamang letters. So, ito ay magiging H, tapos E, he. One more time. He. Good job. And this one, what is the sound of this? Yes, that is J, J. And a combination of E, that will be J. One more time, J, J. One more time, J, J. Tapos E, J. Awesome. And with this, what is the sound of this again? K. Good job. And then, E. Oh, let's combine the two sounds together. That will be K, K. Ke. One more time. Ke. And with these two letters, so ang sound neto, di ba? L, tapos E. So yan ay magiging le. One more time. Le. And this, that will be me. One more time. Me. Good job. And with this, so ang sound neto, N, tapos E. Oh, let's combine the two sounds together. That will be ne. Ne. And with this, so ang sound neto, P, P. Tapos, i-combine mo si E. So that will be P, P, Pe. One more time. Pe. Diba ito ay puputok mo lang yung lips mo like P, P. Tapos, pagkatapos nun, isusunod mo lang yung sound ni E. So that will be Pe. One more time. Pe. Good job. And this one, so the sound of this is R, and then Let's combine the two sounds together. That will be re. One more time. Re. And this one, that will be se. Isa pa. Se. This one, that will be t, t. And then that will be t, te. One more time. Te. And this one, di ba ang sound neto? V, v. Tapos i-combine mo si so that will be ve. One more time. Ve. Good job. Alright, and with this, ang sound neto, w, tapos so yan ay magiging we. One more time. We. Yun ang sound kapag may kadikit pa siyang mga letter. Okay, may mga kasunod pa dito. Okay, that will be we. Good job. And this one, that will be ks. So that will be kse. Kse. And with this, di ba ang sound neto? Y. And then let's combine the two sounds together. That will be yeah. One more time. Yeah. And this will be the z. Kasi 'di ba ang katabi, so pagsamahin natin ang dalawang sound, so that will be z. Good job! You already know how to read. I'm so proud of you. Congratulations! So, until next video, okay? Bye for now!